beautiful pandas, Maggie the Math Dog, 2 beautiful safaris, and an amazing parrot. Hi, my name is Laura, and I will be your guide in the WeShow TV Pets and Animal News. We start with one of the cutest wild animals of all, the panda. This behind-the-scenes report shows the beautiful bears having loads of fun at a Chinese zoo.
Ow! In 2002, the population of the panda in the wild was barely 1,500. Then they're hungry. They're nibbling on my leg. Now, thanks to fertility, ow, 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 it's my leg. In the year 2002, the panda population in the wild was barely 1,500. They were headed towards extinction. Now, thanks to conservation and fertility.
All parents know how difficult it is to make sure your kids do their homework. But at least with Maggie the dog, math lessons will become less hard and more fun.
Maggie counts with this foot. Basically, the first time I said, Maggie, how many is this, honey? That's it. Good. Sit down. Good. And then I realized I didn't even have to use fingers. I could just ask her. So I said, like, Maggie, what's 2 times 3? Perfect. That's perfect. Get a little treat for that.
With more and more wild animal species becoming endangered every day, this video gives nature hope by showing 2 beautiful safaris, one in Botswana and the other in Zambia. And last but not least, this amazing parrot can dub an entire orchestra of voices and animal sounds.
Let's do a wolf. Good. How about a bird? Can you do a bird? Good. Can you do an owl? Good, owl. How about a rooster? How about a penguin? Can you do a penguin? A little bitty penguin for you. How about a chimpanzee?
That's the end of this weekly edition of Pets and Animals News on WeShow TV. See you!